Hey guys, Swipco Rap Performance. So, furthermore on the update in the 84. So, back in 2019, I got 4th gen interior for dirt cheap. So, I just wanted to confirm that yes, you can use a 4th gen interior. It's so far inside of a 3rd gen. The seats, they're not bolted in. I just wanted to test it for myself. Those two holes line up. The back two lined up. I just dropped them right in. I didn't drill anything. I'll show you the carpet. This is one piece. This is the passenger footwell that you see. I have the driver footwell in there. This is also from a convertible 4th gen, mind you, like a 96. I think this is gonna fit. I'm gonna make it fit because that's my original one, which is pretty clapped. Also, it kind of looks a little different, but I think I'm just going to force this one to fit in because it's in much better shape and I already paid for it and it was really cheap. So I'm hoping I can get all 4th gen to fit. I believe I can, and we're just going to make it work.